Today I'm taking a look at the HUPEJOS Dual HDR 4K Dash Cam. Got our user guide, and that is in full color. And this is nice, they did include some mounting plates. It's always nice so you don't have to worry about getting any adhesive on your glass. Got two of those. Whole bunch of accessories. We got our trim bar so we can stuff our wires behind the trim. We have a car outlet plug, so this is going to be powered by USB-C. We got our suction cup mount. We got a twist lock, so that's going to pull the suction cup in, and it looks like a slide mount. Looks like we also have a full adhesive mount, so it's nice to have a temporary or more permanent option. Got some wire clips, so if you want to run this cable, you just want to have it running up the dash, we can make sure that is going to stay secure. And it does come with some wipes to clean. So here is our rear camera. So they're using 3M, so this is very good stuff. We got one already on the camera. We got a backup in case we need it. Now this is one of the nicest rear cameras I've seen. So it rotates almost a full 360 degrees, but we can also flip this around to reach out the side, or flip it all the way around so you can get perfectly aligned straight back. What I like about that is we can stick this onto the back of a pickup truck. We can have that pointing straight out the back. So this is a very good style of rear camera. It does come with some protection, and it has some good looking glass. And here is the main unit. Again, very nice looking glass. We have our mount here on the top. We got a spot for our rear camera, so that's going to plug in here. USB-C for power. We got a reset button. Looks like it does come with a card. That's very nice. Comes with a Lexar 64GB card, so that is a good name brand card. On the bottom, we got our navigation buttons. And a nice large display there on the back. I also appreciate they put those menu buttons here on the back, so I don't have to actually look at the buttons. I can see exactly what each one is. So I'm going to attach our mount. And it looks like we can rotate that and move it up and down. Plug in the rear camera, plug in power, and stick that up.